Be careful, even when doing good. When my mother died, people kept coming to our house for condolences. Some would cry from morning till afternoon before leaving. Others came, spoke a few comforting words, and shared stories to cool our spirits. One Saturday morning, 2 women came again. They'd already visited, but they said they just wanted to see how we were holding up. They sat down, sighed deeply, and began a story that chilled my heart. A woman, her husband, and their 3 daughters ate beans one Friday night. Moments later, the woman and her daughters started shouting, "My tummy, my tummy." Only the husband was fine. They rushed them to the hospital. That same night, the woman died. By Saturday morning, her first daughter also passed away. The other 2 were in a coma. When I heard it, I went silent. I asked myself, what are people killing each other for? The woman said the mother and her daughters were beautiful, always together, always cheerful. Maybe that's where the envy began. Then I thought of their father. How would that man hold himself when people say, "Be strong, take heart"? In their killer? Would that person be smiling now, proud that evil worked? I didn't ask if the girls survived. I only prayed silently. Oh God, please let them live. That whole day, one question kept ringing in my head. Why is jealousy eating people up? To the point of taking lives they didn't create. My brothers, my sisters, be careful out there, even when doing good.